If you are a student or a working professional, you often tend to use the word very and then the adjective very happy. Avoid saying very every time. Improve your word vocabulary, improve your communicative conversational English with these alternative words instead. Instead of saying very happy, say delighted, glad. Instead of saying very dry, say parched. But keep in mind, if it's a food, for example, dry Maggie, you cannot use the word parched Maggie. If it's a dry pond, you can say it's a parched pond. Instead of saying good, say brilliant or excellent. Instead of saying large, use the word massive. Instead of saying very angry, say furious. Instead of saying very worried, say anxious. Instead of saying very valuable, say precious. Instead of saying very risky, say perilous. To be a confident English speaker, follow my channel, like, share, subscribe, and leave your comments below.